This is a guided tutorial for revision 1C question 2. So for this question, we are required to draw inter-angle projection. Okay, the front, the end, and the plan view. Okay, so if you remember what's the angle projection, right? So this is going to be my front view, right end view, viewing from the left. So I place on the left, and obviously the plan is placed on top of my front. Okay, so my 45 degrees line is going to be like this. So this is how the placement should be. All right. So let's start with the front view. So for the front view, all right, notice that the overall length is 25 plus 35 plus 30 plus 10. So this 40, this 75, so it's total of 150. Okay, so just draw a line from here, 150, and then go up. Okay, how tall is this guy? This guy is going to be 95 mm tall. So just put 95 mm tall first. Okay, all right. So I'm going to draw. Okay, so why do I draw from this end all the way up 95? Okay, so notice this feature here. All right, the hidden feature we don't see in the isometric. Actually, it's not hidden, but it's just obscured from the isometric view. Okay, so actually there's this line here that goes all the way to the back. Okay. Okay, next I'll draw from here, go back across. Okay, 10, 30, 35. Okay, 75. Okay. How tall is this guy? Okay, so in order to get this height, I need to draw this 75 down and then offset 50 upwards. Okay, so just offset 75 from here down. Okay, offset 50 upwards. Okay, so this is going to be my point from here to here. Okay, so from this point, let me delete this guy. I need to draw from here a 30 degrees line down. Okay, so line from here, 30 degrees line down. You can use polar tracker, 30, 60, 90, 120. Okay, from here down 30. All right, this one right here. If you track from here, go up, you get this point, go down. Okay, so let's double check. Make sure I have a line that is 30 degrees. You can use dimension or you can measure. Alright, see 30 degrees. Okay, next thing, I'll be drawing this one here, this picture here. Alright, so from here, you draw up 30, from here, 30 from here. Okay, alright, a bit tricky, but let's try. So let's try to draw on the right hand side first. Okay, so offset 25. Okay, when drawing this one, go across 10, then come back down. Okay, alright, draw a line from here, 10, go back up. Okay, same thing from here. Alright, I can draw a line from here, go down 50, and then go across 65. Okay, go back up to reach this line. Okay, let me move my this picture a little more towards the left first, towards the right. Sorry. Okay. Alright. So I completed this portion here. So I need to draw this up. I got this point here. And then from here offset 30. Okay, offset 30 from this line towards the left. Okay. This fillet, radius 0. I want a sharp point from here to here. Okay, then I can just trim this gun away. Right, so now I got this bottom part, this surface here, this web, and this one here. Okay, so now to do, I need to complete this. Okay, so radius 10, so I need to do a fillet, radius 10, this to this. Okay, now I create counter ball hole, so this is just offset 30 from the web position towards the right. So this is going to be my center location. Offset 25 down, upwards. Okay, offset 25 from here to here, and to match to this. This is my center. Change to outline, go to circle, diameter 16, diameter 24. So just change to center diameter 24, center diameter again 16. Okay. The color ball, the depth will not be shown until I draw the plan view. Alright. Next thing, let's draw this one here. This trough, and then it's going to be radius 15. So that means the entire size is 30. Alright. So offset trough from here to here. Offset 30 from here to here. Okay. Then so let's do trim and add in the hole. Okay, so if we don't tell you what type of hole it is, alright, so that is a true hole, so it's M16. Okay, threaded hole. Okay, so if we subtract in the middle, so just offset 15 from here to here. So this one, I'm going to offset M16, right? So offset 8 to 1 side first. Okay, so now I need to calculate 0.8 times of 16 is basically what, 12.8. Okay, so I need to offset 6.4. Alright, divided by 2, the radius, so radius 6.4. Okay, so I need to offset 6.4 from here to here, to right side. Okay, so these two, they are hidden. I change it to hidden line. Change this to center line. Make sure the center line is a bit beyond. We need the feature, alright, a little bit longer than the feature. And what I can do is just mirror. Okay, oops. I'm going to escape instead of pressing confirm. Let me repeat again, confirm. Okay, so if I do a measurement, this is going to be 16. This is going to be 12. Alright, so this is the measurement. Okay, let me delete them away. Alright, and the answer is hidden. The one that's hidden here. Okay, this is 28 and then 34. Okay, so offset 20, so I need to offset 28 from here to here, and then offset the same thing again, repeat command 34 from here to here. Okay, since these are all the true hole, okay, it's hidden from the front view, so this is going to be outline, hidden line, like this. Okay, alright, so this part that completes the front view. So now we're going to draw. Okay, let me move this front view a little bit lower. Too tall, I'm not able to draw the front view properly. Okay, next we'll draw the midline. Okay, so to draw the midline, we just take the extreme left position of the item and the extreme top position of the view. So from this corner, okay, let me use another line for differentiate. From here, draw 45 degrees line. So from here, I can just change straight away out to 45 degrees, 90, 135, 180, and then just aim for 135. Okay, alright, so the next step is to draw the plan view. Okay, so let me just offset 30 so that you give a proper gap between the two items. And let's start to draw the plan. Okay, so this line represents the extreme-most position of the part, which is going to be this one. Okay, 50 plus 15 is 65. Alright, so this 30, this 80, 50 plus is 55. Oh, this is more extreme. This is 80, so this is high, even more. Okay, so take note, this is more, so the 50 is lesser. Alright, this 55 is lesser. Okay, so that means this whole part is 80 long. So what I can do is offset 80 from here to here. Okay, so that defines my width of the item. Alright, am I right? So if this is, oh sorry, let me tell you. This is 50, this is 15 plus 15, 50, yeah, 30 is 80, okay, same. Alright, 18, 80. Alright, so this is 80, the whole width, including this is also the same thing. Alright, I thought it was different. Alright, okay, so they're same. So what's going to happen is that we can draw this. Okay, so we just need to project the lines up from this point here. Okay, offset 15. Okay, and we can start to draw this circle. Line, circle center radius. From here, 15, you should touch this. Okay, alright. So from here, draw a straight line 15 up. Sorry, 15 plus 50, 65 up. We should. Okay, we should coincide with this line here. And then let's draw it across. The full length is going to be this. Just project, track from here. Okay, and then track down 80. Okay, and then what you need to do is go to this location here. Okay, go back up 30 and then draw a straight line across. Right, draw a line to complete this feature from here to here. Okay, so when you have a trim, so just like this, trim away this. Okay, so I get this shape. Okay, so this thing I need to create is this particular shape. Okay, alright, this one here. Okay, alright, so what I can do now is from here, this point here, which is this one here. Okay, I'm going to draw a line from here. I notice that it goes all from here all the way to the back. So from here, draw all the way to the back, like this. Okay, next thing, I need to draw this one. Okay, this one here. Okay, so just draw a line. Okay, I track from this line here. Okay, from this point, drop down 20, don't width, go across, track from this one, click here, go up. So this opening, just need to trim this one. Okay, so you see the shape is now uniform. This one will be this one. Okay, the rectangle here is 30. So what I can do is just offset 30 from here, drop down. Okay, just need to shorten this a little bit. Okay, draw the 10 mm line from this point. Okay, just choose line from here, from all the way up to this here, click, go all the way down. Okay, what else? It seems that almost everything is done. The only one left is the counter ball. Okay, counter ball. So let me just draw a line, center line, line from here, from this point to here. Okay, it says that the diameter 24 is 12 feet. Okay, so I'm going to do is I'm going to just track from the outermost position. This is 24. From here is 12 feet. Go across, track from here. Okay, so just to show you where it is. Okay, so this guy is going to be hidden, not complete yet, and then we need to add in the final details from here. Track from here. Wow. Here, this one. From here. Wow. Okay, so just to show you what are the dimensions. This is dimension from here to here is 12. Okay, this one from here to here is 16, and here to here is the 24. Okay, all right. Always remember to draw in this line. Okay, a lot of people forget to draw this one. Next one is to complete the M16 hole over here. So to start off, draw a circle of diameter 16. Next is to draw. Next, you can actually track the circle. Okay, the size from the bottom circle, from the bottom from the front view. All right, here. Okay, just to make sure that it is correct, you can just click the construction line, go all the way up. Okay, make sure that it is touching this point. All right, so it's correct. So since this is a threaded hole, okay, the outline here, I need to change it to thin line, and then I need to break this line. So the first click is important. The first click is the first break point, and the second click, just move the cursor out a little bit, okay, so they can move, okay, you can adjust. And this should be less than 1/4. So the break is like this. Okay. Next thing, add in the center line. Okay. And last but not least, double check the work, make sure all the hidden details covered. So there's one line here from the bottom. Okay, it goes all the way down. So from here, all right, I need to draw a line from here all the way to the end, to the right. Okay. Okay, next one. We can draw the side view. Okay, so since I have all the plan view and the front view drawn, okay, I know that this is going to be my line where I start to draw my side view. Okay, all the and the. Alright. And my other end will be the line where I'll be drawing the left side of the end view. Okay. Alright, so just double check the lines, make sure it's all okay, make sure it's straight. Okay, so now this one. Okay, so let's start to draw line. Okay, so I'll start to draw this one here, this line here. Okay, so from here it's going to be exactly 80. Okay, why? You can actually project from the from here to here. Okay, it's going to be exactly 80. Okay, so go up and just follow this one. Right, click one time. Go across how much? 30. Okay, go up how much? I do not know. I need to use this feature here to track this amount I go up. Okay, and form my rectangle. Okay, alright, so this is the face that I'm drawing actually. This is one here. Okay, So this one I'm drawing will be this one. Alright. Okay, so just line. Okay, so from here, go up how much? You use a straight line up to this point. Okay, where the horizontal line is, so it should be here, this one. Go from here, okay, here. Okay, go across 30, which is exactly going to be this height. Okay, go up how much? It's going to be this tall. And then I go across. Okay, so just to show you, okay, so this point is this one here. Okay, this point is toward this one here. Okay, all right. So I left the opening, then you draw. So the opening, we draw in. So I need construction line from this opening point. I need to draw. Okay, so it's going to be this point here, and the next opening point is this one, the one. All right. So let me change this to outline. So line. So from here, I need to draw the width of 20. Now. Okay, so this is the opening for this one here. Okay, next thing I need to draw will be this square. Okay, so from this point here, which is this one here, I need to draw this one. Okay, so from here, drop down, follow, track to here, close it up. Okay, so I get a rectangle here, or it's a rectangle. Okay, over here. Okay, so next thing, I'll be drawing this one here. Okay, so it's just purely a rectangle from here, go across 30, and then drop down. Okay, alright, it's going to be hidden from this point onwards down to a total height of 75, 25 of 10. Okay, so we track all the way. I don't need to calculate and track from here all the way to here. Okay, so this is going to be my hidden line. Okay, alright. So what else I need to draw? Okay, how about this web here? Okay, alright. So the web is going to be drawn from this line here down to this location here. Okay, so we track all the way to the side here. Okay, all right. Notice that it goes from outline to hidden. Okay, so I need to break this line. Okay, so what I can do is I select this line, stay on the break, at point, and this one. Okay, so now I can just change this to hidden. Okay, all right. So now I need to draw this web here, the hidden of this web. Okay, it goes all the way to here. So I need to draw a hidden line from this point across. So from hidden line, draw a line. Okay, from here, track from this point, go all the way to this location here. Okay, so now you get this shape, which is basically this one here that I'm drawing. Alright. Okay. So next thing I need to draw is what? Okay, next thing I need to draw is probably the counter ball, and also the whole location. It goes all the way down, the hidden details, and also for this wall here. Alright, the hidden detail for this portion of the wall. Okay. Alright, so next thing, draw a line. Okay, so first I'll draw the hidden for this one. It's easier. So what you do, just draw one straight line from here all the way down to the bottom. Next thing, draw a line, okay, for this one here. Okay, the surface. Alright, after this rounded part, okay, there's a hidden line from here to here. Okay, what else? I need to draw in the counter ball, okay, and also the trailer hole. Okay, so for threaded hole, what we can do is we can actually draw a line. Okay, so I'm going to just offset a line that's 15 mm from here to here. So just to get the center location. So what I can do now is just copy, select the threaded feature from this intersection point to this intersection point. Okay, once done, you can just remove the yellow line. Okay, so next thing is the counter bore hole. Okay, so it's 1624 by 12. Okay, so I can get the location from here. Okay, I know it's going to be somewhere from here all the way to here. Okay, between these two vortices. Okay, between these two vortices. Alright, so sometimes other lines are very confusing. I just need to delete them so that I will not be confused or draw on the wrong location. Okay, so what I need to do now is to um, draw it out. Okay, alright, so construction line. So I draw from here, go straight. Okay, click one time here, starting from this wall, go in. How much? 12. Okay, so 12, enter. Okay, and then touch the middle. Next thing, draw a line. This is a true hole, this one, the small one. Click from here, go to here. Okay, so what I can do is that I can just click on the lines that I need and convert them to a hidden line. After that, I can just mirror them about the center line. Just press enter, and that is your counter bore. Okay, after all these steps, double check your work. Okay, make sure you have covered all bases. Alright, it seems that everything has been covered. Okay, I can just go to outline, turn off my construction line. Okay, double check that you do not miss out anything, or rather I did not miss out anything. Okay, the back, important feature here in here is the same. This one goes on to this wall. Okay, all right. So that's the end of the video.